Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your man Rich Too Bad coming back today with another video. I hope each and every one of you are having a blessed, wonderful, and a prosperous day today wherever you are in the universe. I hope you guys are being safe with this COVID-19 that's going around. I hope you are practicing your social distancing and helping flatten the curve. Today is not going to be, well, it's going to be a mod video. I'm actually going to meet a guy at the mall. He wants to get a Novistretch put on his car. So if you go back into my playlist, you can see where I installed a Novistretch on Betty White. So he wants one done because he's about to take a road trip to Virginia. So I told him I would meet him up at the mall and we'll get it put on for him. Like I said, I got my neighbor following me behind me just so he could get his Challenger. We just get out and ride, cruise together like we always do, man. Just give him a reason to pull it out for him. So like I said, it's my first time. I got this little phone mount that I'm using for the first time, so I'm gonna see how vlogging and driving works together, but may give you some on-road footage action as we get on the interstate and kind of see if he gonna get on it a little bit, see what he does with it. So but you guys stay tuned for this video, guys. Alright guys, so my neighbor, he's in front of me right now. I got that little beast up there. I'm trying to catch up with him, man. He got that acting a fool right now on that thing. Yes, yeah, man, we finna head up, like I said, we heading to Perimeter Mall to meet this guy up here and do this Novistretch for him. So I'm hoping that this camera ain't too shaky on the interstate for you guys. So see if he's gonna get on a few times for me. Does have some mods that he has done. I need to update you guys on those mods when I get a chance to, but he's still doing a few other things. I'm trying to wait for him to get everything done first before he completely before he finishes everything on the mods. So yes sir. Beast sounding like a beast today, boy. It is beastly. Yeah, man, she look good, man. Like I said, that TA on the side of his car, it definitely makes the car pop once it's in motion, man. Like I never really thought that it looked good on a car. What? Yeah, I think he gonna get on it once we get on 285. Yeah, that beast though. But he's gonna get some Flow Masters put on. Not Flow Masters, but Dynamex racing bullets put on and quad tips. So man, we gotta stay tuned for that video because I think that thing will sound really, really good once it gets that modification done on it. So. Yes.
New text message from Shakira Parker.
Together. So clear the perimeter, man. I'll cut the camera back on for you guys. Hey, yes, guys, I'm back, guys. Like I said, we're almost getting close to perimeter. They said my neighbor been in front of me acting the fool. I'm trying to get used to this vlogging and driving at the same time. Not really sure if I really like doing it or whatnot, but could be just something I got to get used to doing. So, but I'm going ahead and turn this camera back off, man, and I'm gonna see y'all once we get up here. Yo, peace. All right,
We rolling.
Not bad, guys. You know, so like I said, I'm back to get this the little brackets and the screws on here, and I'm gonna review his car once he gets done cleaning it up just a little bit. Like I said, I do like the car. I love the wrap. Flip-flop paint on this very nice. So we go ahead and get these screws in, everything set up for him, and I'll be back with you guys.
All right.
Now it's the first Sunday of every month.
First Sunday?
Yeah.
And you got to get out here like at, well, if you want a parking space, like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah? I ain't kidding. I heard you back.
But I mean, you can still come, you know, ride around and maybe try to find, you know, maybe a parking space and parking lot. Yeah, they got it right.
First Sunday.
First Sunday every month. So next one will be in
August 2nd. You too, man.
So, man, that's the beauty of having a low car, man. People just come up to you and say, man,
See the
car show going on.
They gravitate.
We could have been the car show today if you wasn't okay.
especially when they see you in large groups.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we had a security dude. He was following us because we went back there in the back. I guess he thought we was about to go out there and do some donuts. Cut up or something.
Tell something up.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the first one with this on,
I was gonna do it, put it on even before the route. Riding on the highway, that debris.
huh? Oh yeah.
That 75 is busy.
Should've brought some gloves out here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a pretty boy. So we done on
You
this
the
side,
expert.
man. So you gotta tighten it down. I mean, like I said, there's no stretch. I highly recommend it. You got a Challenger, Charger, 300, Magnum, first generation, and get a Novistretch. It's gonna save you a ton of pain having to wash your car when you on the road, coming off a road trip or anything like that. So man, make sure you get a Novistretch. Okay?
Now, is this only a Mopar product?
Right now, they make them for Corvettes, Mustangs, but you have to go on the website and check it out. But they do make them for Corvettes. Actually, they were originally made for Corvettes, but they make for Mopars, 300s, anywhere from 06 to present day. They all work the same, so it don't matter if you got like 2006 or 2010. They all fit. So, no stretch, man. Best money. It'll be the best investment you made for the front end of your car. That's all I'm saying about that. So. That's it, guys. All we gotta do is put those brackets in. I'm gonna show them how to get everything, how to put it on top, and then snap it on the bottom, man. And that's it, bro. It's take you 10 minutes to do, maybe less than that, you know, in your garage. So I'll catch y'all on the next clip. See this dude's 392, right? I don't want to call it a Hellcat. 392, right?
Hellcat coming soon, baby.
Hellcat cover suit, yeah. Yeah, he got that wrap on there, man. I did this in the shade, man, but like I said, once I saw this wrap hit the sunlight, I was like, yeah, buddy. Of course, y'all see Betty White to the right side, but yeah, man, he got the wrap on here, looking real good. He said he's gonna do a diffuser. He's gonna get the 5-inch tips put on there. He got the Hellcat wheels with P0s, Pirellis. But man, this wrap is D-O-P-E. Dope. So, like I said, I got the Novistretch put on for him. But yeah, so. But the wrap, man, is definitely bad on this car, man. Like, it's just, I don't know if the camera picking all this up, man, but it ain't gonna do no justice because this junk is just flipping every time I'm walking by. Like, it just flip colors on it. So, and then they got the little SCATPACK logo put on the hood. Yeah, I saw that. So, but yes, sir. But you know, you see Betty White, you see my neighbor's Challenger over there. A little impromptu. Like I said, I went and put this on for him, so you can watch my video. I did the one side video. Of course, you know, as I always say, wash, rinse, and repeat on the other side. So once you do one side, you just do the other side the same way. So, but you let me go ahead and review his car for him real quick. Like I said, he wasn't in a rush, but yeah, man, this wrap on here is really nice, man. So definitely nice. And like I said, this is a 2020 392 on it too. So said he got the cats done on it. So y'all the inside. He done did a little bit on the inside. Done did a little trim on the red, trim on the console, and trim on the door. So I'm show y'all this hood. Show y'all what y'all got. So if y'all gonna get a Novistretch, this would make sure this is one of the things you want to make sure that you do. Because when you put that Novistretch on, you know, put your straps on with the engine stoppers or whatever you want to call them, and just make sure you go up under the latch of the engine so you're able to open your hood when you need to. But that's it, man. You got the 392 right there. Got the little vinyl on there. Got the catch can on here. So if you got 392 and you ain't have a catch can, you need to get you a catch can, man. This will definitely save the life of your engine, and it would prevent the blowback from going back into the manifold of the engine of the car. So definitely, man, I don't care if you got a 5.7, 6.4, 6.2, 3.6. Hey, man, get you a catch can. But the main thing of this video, guys, is get you a Novistretch. Get you a Novistretch, guys. This will save you a lot of money in the front, especially if you're gonna do road trips. Like I said, right now in summertime, the bugs are out. This will save you a hassle of spending hours of trying to scrape the bugs off. And like I said, he has a wrap, so this is definitely gonna help the front end of his car and protect the front end of the wrap of his car. So, of course, you know, like I said, I got a Novistretch on mine that I have too. I just don't put mine on unless I'm going on a road trip. But like I said, I got my car washed last week and it still looked clean. But up close, yes, it is dirty up close. So, but that's one thing I like about white cars, man, is they look clean on the white cars. Like I said, my neighbor, I'm trying to get my neighbor to get one put on his. It'll be coming soon, but we got some other ideas that we trying to do. Like I said, now that we met Trent, you know, he gave us some options and showed us some things. Hey Trent, hit that light for me. I want to show this light on there real quick, man. But I'm gonna show you something that I'm probably gonna have to end up getting put on the car, man. So, yes sir, yes sir, yeah, yes sir. I gotta get that on Betty White. We said a guy that he can make those any way you want. He can any custom he can make them. So, and he got the red light. I don't know if the camera picking that up, but he got the red light in there. And he got some red lights. I didn't even know he had the red lights. He told me he put these in the back right here too. The camera's picking that up, but he got red lights. And he got a straight cat in the back. So, yes sir. That thing sounds nasty back there. But yeah, man. I definitely like this wrap on this car, man. It's definitely something that's unique. I hadn't seen it. Like I said, in the shade it looked great, but once you got in the sunlight, that thing just popped like out of nowhere. So, but I just want to thank him for letting me review his car today, guys. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. But yeah, man, this I'm sorry guys, but this right here Yeah, I'm gonna have to put something like that on Betty White, man. We're gonna have to get rid of this Dodge. We gotta get something. We're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna get something that's like this on Betty White. Coming soon, guys. So he just gave me some ideas. Like I said, I didn't even know he had it on there. I didn't know that illuminated until he told me about it. But yes, sir, we're gonna have to do something about this right here, though. Betty White's coming soon, baby. We're gonna get you something soon on the front end, baby. Something soon now. But make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the channel, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. But guys, it is hot out here, guys. We about to get out of here. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the channel. As I end the video, as always, keep God first, straight prayed up, stay blessed up, guys. To the next video, guys. I appreciate you guys, and y'all be safe. Much love to you guys. Peace.